Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check updates on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen and you can find different buttons. Go to the upper bar on the screen and click to the megaphone icon, and here you can find the first section, the updates, and you can check the updates. Now click one, you can trial and you can watch, for example, cream ferret cookie videos or games. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.